Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has made training hard for para-taekwondo athlete Shauna Hines, who now travels cross-country to make sure she's in shape for the Paralympic Games next month. However, Hines says she's ready to fight her way to a podium finish. Denise Walters reports.
Shauna Hines is looking forward to being among the first medalists in Taekwondo when the sport makes its debut at the Paralympic Games. The bronze medalist from the 2019 Lira Para-Pan Am Games has big dreams for Tokyo.
Definitely on the pole and working hard, going there, kick hard, vigilante to get the gold medal.
National para coach Neville Sinclair also believes Hines is a medal contender.
Based on how I've seen her fought at the Para-Pan Games and what she had done in the qualifiers leading up to now, I should see her on the podium. And any color on the podium at this time for her as a new person, it's welcome.
But Hines' preparation hasn't gone smoothly, with the pandemic forcing her to journey across the island from Thursday to Saturday to ensure she's competition ready.
Because of COVID, we're no longer allowed to dare, so I have to travel to Mandeville. So, I mean, it is rough, but I'm just making a sacrifice and just do what I have to do.
While looking forward to the Paralympics, Hines is concerned about the growing number of cases of COVID-19, even in Japan.
I just have to follow protocols, mask up, and I'm fully vaccinated. So I just don't go there and just try to stay to myself and stay where I'm supposed to be and just go there and perform.
Coach Sinclair concurs.
Because I mean, every day you're hearing about new spike and new this and the testing every day. So it's a concern for not just for myself but the athletes. But I guess we have to put that behind us and just go there and do what we're supposed to do.
The Paralympic Games is set to take place from August 24 to September 5 in Tokyo. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.